The ground mount gives you, I feel, a couple of good advantages. And that is one, that it's off the ground. When we get up into October, November, December, when our ambient temperature gets up to 35 degrees, it's going to get a nice cool breeze blowing under it. And the cooler you keep the panels, the better they perform, just at the right temperature. The roof in October, November will get anything up to about 70, 75 degrees in ambient temperature, so it's damn hot. Plus the other issue is that we're in a very dusty environment, and so the cleaning of panels, and it is very, very hard to justify on paying someone $200 or $300 to get up on your roof to clean the panels for you when it's only dust. Different issue if it's droppings, but with dust, the rain will come and wash them off. You can see, you clean the panels today and tomorrow they'll have a layer of dust on them. It's a dusty environment. We haven't had any rain since about February, March this year, and we're now nearly halfway through August. So it's another 2 months before we'll get any rain at all. So it's a big job just to clean panels, and if you're going to pay someone to do it, you pay them $200, $300, you just won't get that money back, because that return is just not there. It just doesn't give you that much more of an output. I don't care what anyone tells me. If you're going to pay someone, it's not worthwhile doing. If you can do it yourself, absolutely clean them. We live in a very dusty environment, a very, very industrial environment. When we looked at it, they were only cleaned the day before. I wiped your hand over it and there was a film of dust on it. It was 24 hours. So you give it a month and it needed cleaning. So if they were up on a roof, and a real steep roof like there is over in our new suburbs, a 25-degree pitch, going to get up there with some water and a broom? I don't think so. You're going to end up on the ground with the water. So that makes it a lot better and safer. Fella just hose, he's got it set up with a hose there and a squeegee, give them a bit of a squirt off and a brush, and yeah, and they come up okay.